So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy silver inside of your first home savings account or your FHSA here on Wealthsimple. So before you get into this though, if you guys are new to Wealthsimple, I'll show you guys my referral code link. It's also down below in the description if you want to check it out. But if you guys use this referral code when signing up, I get a little bit of money, so do you guys, and you also get it entered into a chance to win in $1 million home. So that's pretty cool. But go back to the home screen, go to the bottom, press on the magnifying glass, then press on the search icon. And I want you guys to type in ticker symbol SVR right here, and then press SVR right here. So once you guys are on this page, go to the bottom left, press on select an account. Make sure that your first home savings account is selected. Then go to the bottom right and press on buy. If you guys want to use one share, for example, that's how much it'll cost. If you want to do fractional shares, $10 or whatever, $5 is this. If you want to proceed, press on review. On this page, you guys can review your order. Go to the bottom, press on queue or buy, and proceed that way with the transaction. So very straightforward, very simple. That is how you guys can buy silver inside of your FHSA or your first home savings account here on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.